When you think about traveling through mountains, under rivers, or beneath bustling cities, you can thank one of humanity's greatest engineering feats: the tunnel. Tunnels are hidden passageways that allow people, vehicles, and even water or utilities to move safely through obstacles once thought impossible to cross. This is the true story of tunnels: what they are, how they are built, and why they are so important to our modern world. Remember to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into engineering marvels. What is a tunnel? A tunnel is an underground or underwater passageway, usually built for transportation or utilities. Tunnels can be made for roads, railways, pedestrians, canals, or pipes carrying water, gas, or sewage. Unlike bridges, which cross over obstacles, tunnels allow you to pass through or under them. Fun fact. The word tunnel comes from the old French word tonnelle, meaning a tube or small barrel. Why do we build tunnels? Tunnels are built to avoid obstacles such as mountains, rivers, or dense urban areas. They protect infrastructure by shielding roads or railways from weather, traffic, or environmental damage. They also save space in crowded cities by moving traffic underground and connect places more efficiently, reducing travel time and distance. A fun fact: without tunnels, many of today's fastest train routes and busiest city highways would not exist. So how are tunnels built? Building a tunnel is a huge and complex task, often depending on the ground conditions and the tunnel's purpose. Here are a few major methods. 1. Cut and cover tunneling. A trench is dug from the surface, the tunnel is built in the trench, and then the trench is filled back in. This method is best for shallow tunnels. 2. Bored tunneling. A tunnel boring machine, often called a mole, drills through the earth, creating a tunnel as it goes. This method is best for deep tunnels or when digging under cities or rivers. 3. Drill and blast. Used in hard rock areas like mountains, workers drill holes, place explosives, blast the rock and remove the debris. 4. Immersed tube tunneling. For underwater tunnels, prefabricated tunnel sections are sunk into a dredged trench on the seabed and connected. Fun fact: some tunnel boring machines are as long as 100 meters, longer than a football field. Famous tunnels around the world. Some tunnels are engineering marvels. Channel Tunnel, also known as the Channel, connects England and France under the English Channel, stretching 50.5 kilometers or 31 miles. The Gotthard-based tunnel in Switzerland is the longest railway tunnel in the world, spanning 57 kilometers or 35 miles under the Alps. Japan's Seikan Tunnel is an underwater railway tunnel linking the islands of Honshu and Hokkaido, measuring 53.85 kilometers or 33.5 miles. The Lincoln Tunnel in the USA carries cars under the Hudson River between New Jersey and New York City, and it's always bustling with traffic. Fun fact: it took over 11 years to build the Channel Tunnel, and it's so deep that it runs about 75 meters or 246 feet below the seabed. Challenges of tunnel building. Tunnel construction faces many dangers and difficulties. There is the risk of flooding when digging under rivers, cave-ins if the soil is unstable, toxic gases released from underground pockets, and extreme pressure when tunneling deep below the surface. Modern tunnels use advanced technology like reinforced walls, ventilation systems, and high-powered pumps to keep workers and travelers safe. Fun fact: in ancient times, tunnels were dug entirely by hand using simple tools. Some ancient aqueduct tunnels are still standing today. Conclusion: tunnels are more than just hidden passageways. They are gateways through barriers built by imagination, determination, and incredible engineering skill. They shorten journeys, connect cities, and make the world smaller and more accessible. Whether beneath towering mountains, sprawling cities, or deep oceans, tunnels remind us that with creativity and hard work, humans can find a way through even the toughest obstacles. Tunnels are not just paths through the earth, they are triumphs of human ingenuity.